Good morning, my wonderful family. So, we're out today and I'm on a boat, you see me? Yeah, we have some things over there up on fire. Fish are cook. We're gonna make some ackee too. Mm. So, I kind of sat there, you know, soup. Soup have to cook for Saturday. So, it down in Jamaica, man. No Saturday, I grew up, also me grew up in a. No Saturday, I miss. The soup no cook, man, you know. I Saturday did miss me, I didn't bite. Soup have to cook, man.
Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Shawn again, me say ya Shawn again. Bring good vibes pon the corner them. A Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call a friend.
Talk to me. What's happening here?
Just trying to put the ackee, man.
You clean up ackee?
Yeah, man,
So I go buy them ackee then?
But I shaki, man, I climb tree and pick ackee from morning.
You climb tree and pick ackee and I climb it?
The country there, nobody, I think a town with there, we buy ackee. Country there, you know, see.
It's why ackee tree there.
For me, I know God. What can you this man?
Yeah, and I pick ackee. And I say, man.
Pick some ackee, is it? No, there, no.
So when is I going to fire, son? When is I going to fire, son now?
Roast and see creature.
And this pan is stove. What is pan peas? But the fish I can't eat when they done, man.
I skin that, brother. I skin that. Meat that touch it.
How kind of fish this?
Skin fish.
Skin fish?
Skin pork.
Turbot. Man, I'm have to burn off the skin off of the fish. That look like it for eat.
Giants. You tell me about Peter Giants.
Why else? You see that pattern now?
Listen.
Yeah. Some people might eat it down same way, man. And just me not cook.
Hungry kill people, never follow with them. Please, never in there.
Man, don't start boil it.
Yeah. But that's what I just put on, so just I'll get it started out now.
That's the next pattern in the house. Another
I
pattern.
transfer on it.
Okay.
It don't only gas to keep.
So how this now make now? Soup?
Yeah.
So you know they are country, you know, the man go over this and the bush go find wood for chew and I fire.
Just teach man guitar. Find some stick.
I same thing.
Stick.
Me say I same thing, sir.
Yeah, this man come now. You're going to talk, you know, come back here, you're going to talk, you know.
Man.
Go find some stick for fire, brother. This man a walk a look out.
No. Me see man make a chat go over there and another thing come back with, so I must that man know.
Alright, next fire that
I give you catch on fire. If the fire starts, then I'll come back.
So we're gonna soup. Peas and what?
Peas and
favorite. Pork.
Pork.
eh?
Not kino.
No, that's your favorite.
Oh, can I buy a couple of times? Can I buy one for
Every time I was going to say buy pork, you don't pay more pork. Next one, you might listen, you might buy 14.
Yeah. Them say a country life this man.
music, you know.
How long me I tell it? You want sleep, yes?
Yeah, man, no nice.
Jason can't deal with the nice, you know. Remember Jason live in a suburbs, you know. Yeah. Jason live in a suburbs and can't deal with the nice again. And change. Rich and switch.
Get to my band so you know say me strong. All that goes.
On my phone, man. There in a country, I'm like country life still, no. Not gonna lie to you, man. I live in a country, yeah. Like the country life, man. There in a country, like the country life. Just feel like you're surrounded by nature, you know? And look out and you see trees, man, all kind of trees. You can get some food from. Yeah. You can pick ackee and clean ackee and cook. Breadfruit and roast. You know? I'm thinking I'm gonna go down on the beach later on still. You know, relax. Do some work.
Some herbs.
Some scallion and thyme.
And garlic.
If
Go on, take.
you can see that, you see steamer come out tight.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, and I know if you stir it, this peas now go stick on the bottom there.
I'm sorry, nasty.
Mm-hmm.
Get the spoon and stir it.
Super cook. You say pork tough. So you taste it?
You taste it, I can't cut.
Taste argument is not even right part of this taste.
So the man say you know if you talk, you know.
Food one of the brother.
Let me start burning up, man. I talk about.
Who can eat same blood?
Skin, try skin one.
This?
Yeah.
Me no eat that, so me no want to know about.
Where is it? Throwing something in then?
Doris.
Throwing sit them?
Bombo clock. I go to sleep and come back. I did mistake and buy one like that too.
Yeah.
What is extra yellow?
So make it something look like a pumpkin.
Just I might roll some roll up dumpling and also some spinners.
You want baking sit look like caramel now? Yeah. No, serious, I want baking sit look like caramel. Listen.
No roll the spinners in there. I can't meal, man.
It's a caramel, Shawn?
I can't meal that man. It grainy, I can't meal.
And you want baking sit look same like caramel? Yeah? So I want to make a store and take up and I say if I call me want me say so it's not call me in this.
Well, it's a baking in a fucking pot.
Yes, gosh.
So you know using it?
No, I used to buy.
I two something caramel you have in it, you know.
Two? Oh, probably Shawn take up caramel too.
You need to take up caramel, man.
The next one look fine still, you know.
Oh, probably Shawn take up
You need to take up a fine caramel.
So you take up the wrong thing.
Me to get fuck, you use the wrong thing.
And then fine caramel you use.
No. So,
Good man. Wanna kill you, make you stronger.
get a blood clot good.
Feel like a baking powder, see right?
No, me I tell you, it look.
Baking powder white, man.
No, me say feel.
No, baking sit me say.
You feel it like you are baking
Yes.
vibes, huh?
Yeah, I'm baking sit me say, but it look.
Then
look
can't
like-
put it close to them, something. Are they close to them?
No, but we see right pan it. That means I caramel.
I can't.
Yeah, see
What
right
did
pan
they
the back. Then right see pan the back.
No, no. One to see what comes over.
The flour you feel like a rising flour.
Eh?
Like how you deal with me, man. Or yourself, man. Where's the injury?
Got it.
Video. That's Donald Trump's son over there.
But yeah, you run it down, yeah, sheriff. Eh? Oh yeah, sheriff, are you run it down? You might get another foreigner. Yeah, the name, man. No, sir.
Then say, yeah, the article.
Yeah, foreigner, walk, or axio, or under. Look where you are, jelly. I am a foreigner, so where that foreigner. That's speak for you, know. I'm the general. That's speak for you, you know what I'm saying? Roll it, where you go?
Bless.
I say, glad that right. That's how we try that. You them myself, eh?
First, then you rap a voice.
First, I rap a voice on Philly.
How your price go?
From Mary to Philly.
From DC.
Bird soup?
Yeah.
No, Friday.
Right this man.
Yes.
Eh? See me? My uncle na no man. How the bumbo clock this man, man?
You have to learn to talk about Jamaica, you know.
Nah, my
You have a
uncle.
big
Say pork cook now.
No, man. Right, man.
So I'm not seeing no pepper in my pot. Things as simple as set up a fire outside and cook your pot right outside. You don't really see them thing there. You don't really see them thing there up in the foreign land there. You see it, you don't see them thing there in America. But things as simple as that, man. Like pot set up right there, so food are cook. You gonna check that. And you just control the fire right there, so just like that. Things as simple as that, man. Enjoy, man.
Yeah, Papa have the camera, man. Papa have the dash really up.
Yes, if I say in a pot, stir it up now. You say, how long for the pot for us?
Ready, man.
Pot ready? I say pot ready.
Yes, man. Walk well to turn on, man.
I say pot ready right now, so
You're not here?
so you know it go. Pot ready right now. Soup was a must on a Saturday when me I grew up in Jamaica. Remember all of my Saturdays smelling like this. And a lot of other Jamaicans, soup was for them Saturday dinner too, and even lunch. You know, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I think going up on the beach, you know. I go to lock still up, man. Go down and go all the vibe, just go easy back on me. You know, enjoy the beach. So, you circle with me. I don't know if you already subscribed to my channel, then you probably remember me with longer locks than this. But recently, I cut off my locks, cut it well short and decided to grow it out back again. You know, just cause I feel like me I start over, so I start it over again. So I might reach right now. So grow it along up again. Long. If I decide to cut it again, I'm a man now. I'm a king man with it, so just cut it. See your head back. What? Come on. You want some food now? Yeah, I know, man. You want some food now. Anyway, I'm gonna feed him. And I'll be back. So, this side, to make a walk, go down to the beach. And in that far, you know, but it kind of far. If you're lazy, because I don't like walk like that. So, we'll walk, go down. Basically, we'll walk. I don't know if you can see the hill from behind me right now. We'll walk from this up there, so. Wait, I don't talk right there, so look a bump, you know. Up on the top of the hill where I come from. We'll walk down there, so. Yeah, we'll walk straight down there, so right now. And as you can see, I don't know if the camera look dark to you, but it kinda get dark out here. But we got the beach here. Well, hopefully we don't lock it and we can't go in. We'll see when we reach at the gate. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you not subscribe yet. And like the video and send it to a friend so them can see what kind of things are happening here and what kind of things them can do here in Portland. Yeah, so this is Boston Beach or Reach, and yeah, you probably can tell now, say at night time behind me is the beach. And down there so is where we're going right now. Make a step.
Something about night beach what I really enjoy. And don't get me wrong, you know, I love any kind of beach, but night beach to me is just calm and it feel more relaxing. I can hold a meditation and talk to the eye, you know? Yeah, man.
You can see a surfboard. Somebody left them surfboard there, so. But I don't know if it's any good. But I'm not surf, so I'm not care for find out. You know? Yeah, but I feel like I'm not going out of the water, you know? Ain't gonna joke, no lie about it. Yeah, man. Where's up, father?
I say I checked in.
Yeah, man.
Of course, now you have a place.
A quick pass through. Eh? Which part?
Right that's up on the teeth.
That.
That's it, man.
Yeah, man.
So that there is the client check in and something, you know.
Yeah. Me see you last time I come there, man. What's your name?
Django.
Django.
Yeah, man.
Bless. Shawn.
Huh?
Shawn. Yeah.
Yes, man. I respect, man.
Yeah, man. You know Bongo?
Okay.
Me a Bongo there, man.
Alright. Now see that, man. I can find.
A two chair there, right there, sir?
Yes, man. Let's keep talking like that.
You say I'm gonna light fire down here, so I make up a fire. Yeah, look on the beach in the night like this. I feel like I'm going to the water, you know. I soon come wet up in foot. You see the water? Look on the moon over there, so. We'll come later on the sunset, but the moonlight there right there, so. And I'm going to go draw them chair go over the fire over there, so that man are there. Yeah, I think we're going out the water. I'm going to see how cold it is first. Make a step with me. Let's see how cold it is. Not that cold, man. It's definitely not as cold as the Blue Lagoon down the road. And you can see why them do surfing here, so. Because the waves them are coming in are some big waves. Isn't it? I don't know if I can see them waves out there, so. Are some big waves them there, so. You see a lot of people here. Sometimes you see them a surf. Sometimes you see them with them surfboard.
I never surf yet, you know. I'm not interested for learn either.
They enjoy the beach, man. Only thing they need right now is some light, because when it get dark, it probably will get extra dark. So you have to own a light so you can let out here. So we want to say the entry fee for coming to Boston Beach are $500. But you don't know them lock off the beach 5 o'clock, but you have a way if you can still enter. And so we're there at the beach right now, because we're way after 5. We're like 6 o'clock, 6:30 right now. And we're there at the beach. And like you can see, a darkness, so we just lay all our vibes. Now I'm going to look a little bit in the water.
So come with me. I love how nature in Jamaica is just so beautiful. But here's what I like. The privatization of most of our resources. Because it feel like most of the beaches them, you have to pay per person for enter. And that take away the joy out of it for some families. Because them can't afford to bring them family to the beach. And that doesn't make sense. So that same resource that Jamaica naturally produces for Jamaicans who can't freely access. And some kids nowadays not gonna ever experience growing up or go to the beach simply because they can't afford it. And that makes me feel away, you know?
Look how the moon light up the beach. You see this? Yeah, man, look how the moon light up the beach. We're in a darkness, but it's not too dark because the moon, you can see the moon right there, so it can light up the beach. Upon the light, we are coming right there, so. Yeah, man. Father gotta shine light through the beach in the darkness, right there, so let's go there.
Let me know what you think about this in the comments, and I'll see you again in the next video. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't as yet, and share it to a friend. I'm Shawn again, I'm gone again. Later.
Shawn again, Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Shawn again, me say ya Shawn again. Bring good vibes pon the corner them. A Shawn again, a Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call a friend.